In the race against time smart firefighting emergency dispatch center, every second of information is critical. The KCA 23 Professional Intelligent Console is purpose-built as the mission-critical command hub, enabling highly efficient and precise dispatch operations. Its ergonomic design allows operators to control wall-sized displays for extended periods without fatigue, while the dedicated 27-inch monitor stand ensures instant visibility of fire scene mapping and rescue operations. Leveraging the innovative KCA modular frame, it flexibly integrates slot-in panels, suspension panels, or multi-display mounts to adapt to rapidly evolving multi-mission demands, consolidating communication systems, surveillance feeds, and resource distribution maps for exponentially faster decision-making. Reliability is uncompromised. EO-grade eco-certified HPL surfaces withstand high temperatures and simplify cleaning. The rugged aluminum alloy mainframe ensures rock-solid stability. The 500mm continuous bottom cabinet guarantees optimal thermal management for multi-PC setups, while isolated strong current, weak current wiring eliminates signal interference, providing 24/7 operational resilience. Custom-branded side panels proclaim professional dedication, complemented by adaptive mood lighting, calming blue for routine operations, urgent red for emergencies, and ground-projected illumination that visually expands the workspace, together crafting a modern command environment defined by focused efficiency under pressure. KCA 23, engineered with robust materials, intelligent architecture, and cutting-edge design to erect an impregnable information fortress for your smart firefighting nerve center, safeguarding life-saving golden hours.